Remove the insulation tape from the wiring branch. Identify and cut the wire yellow/brown, or in some case it is white/green. Take a Scotch connector. Using connector, pull it upward to unlock it. Insert the cut wire of IMO connector into this Scotch connector from one side. Insert the pigtail wire yellow/brown in Scotch connector from other side and press the clip by hand and then by plier. Ensure proper placement of both wire and close the connector. Tape the other end of the wire and wrap it into the bundle. Apply tape on the Scotch connector and wrap it into the wiring bundle. Completely apply the insulation tape over the wire. Reconnect the IMO connection. Disconnect roof wiring harness connector from A pillar, right hand side. Identify grey/blue wire in the roof lamp connector. Place the Scotch clip on grey and blue wire. Please ensure you don't have to cut the grey/blue wire. You have to just insert the Scotch clip as shown. Insert the pigtail wire yellow/brown in the Scotch connector. Press the clip by hand and then by plier. Ensure proper insertion of wire and close the connector after placing the clip with plier. Apply insulation tape to Scotch connector. Apply tape on wiring harness branch properly. Connect the connector. Disconnect BCM connector and remove the cover. Locate yellow/brown wire, or in some case white/green wire, cavity number 46, and cut it. Insert the cut wire from BCM connector into the Scotch clip. Insert grey/red wire at BCM pigtail in the Scotch connector at other end. Press the lock by hand and then by the plier. Ensure proper fitment of both the wire and close the connector. Apply the tape on the Scotch connector. Apply the tape on the another cut wire, part of the wire, and fix it in the wiring harness. Wrap the entire wiring harness using tape. Fix the cover on the BCM connectors. And connect the connector at BCM. Locate and disconnect flow connector at LHS A pillar bottom. Identify grey/red wire from cavity number 11 and cut. Insert the cut grey/red wire from the connector in the Scotch clip. Insert the other end of BCM pigtail wire grey/red in the Scotch connector. Press the clip by hand and then by plier. Ensure proper insertion of both wires and lock the connector. Apply insulation tape to Scotch connector. Apply insulation tape to the other end of the cut wire and keep it into the bundle of wiring harness. Apply insulation tape to the wiring harness. Fix the connector